Finding accurate banking-related information can be a struggle for customers and banking employees. But with the right documentation solution, you can help your customers access up-to-date information anywhere, anytime. Create, organize, and track documents within one platform. Almost all banking leaders agree on the need for a centralized knowledge base servicing both employees and customers. So basically, the possibilities are endless with the right documentation platform. In just 6 minutes and 8 seconds, we'll show you how Document360 can revolutionize how your customers and employees can access accurate information 24/7. Say hello to Alex, a veteran in the banking sector. Thanks to Document360, his banking documentation experience has reached new heights. With the tool, Alex can access, manage, and update multiple formats of public and private banking documents on issuing credit cards, settling payments, lending money as loans, investment management, raising capital, revolving credit, and much more with one centralized tool. And the documents published can be organized into a neat category hierarchy structure, which can go up to 6 levels, from categories to subcategories to articles and more. If we start discussing how his private documents can stay secure with Document360, SOC 2, check. GDPR, check. Encryptions, check. Access control, check. Now let's talk about how the product can help scale your business. Document360 isn't just a document repository to educate your users. It's a powerhouse designed to supercharge your documentation to drive return on investment. AI-powered search functionality. Picture this. Your customer is interested in securing a Forex card but struggles with identifying the exact term or prompt to use in the search tab. After hours of searching, they will go straight to your support representative for assistance. So there will be 2 adverse outcomes to this scenario. Your customers cannot find the document they need to perform time-sensitive actions. Your call center is overwhelmed with customers seeking answers to easy questions. But your organization can easily evade this scenario with Document360. The tool comes equipped with AI-powered search functionality, making it easy for them to quickly find the exact information they need. All they have to do is type in their questions, and our AI feature will parse across the entire knowledge base to provide the answer in a single view. Structured authoring. Using Document360, your writers can author, make edits, and add media to your banking documents in a format that's easy to work with. The product offers 2 world-class editors, the Markdown and the Advanced WYSIWYG editor, which helps you go beyond content creation with features like optimizing the content for SEO, adding code blocks, adding glossaries to complex terms, including private notes, and much more. Collaboration and review. Collaboration is the heart of managing banking documentation. With Document360, you can easily review any document written by your colleagues. If there is any feedback, you can tag your colleagues in the comment section, alerting them of the changes that need to be made. Compliance with banking regulations. Compliance is non-negotiable in banking. Document360 automates compliance management, keeping you in the loop with regulatory changes. The outcome? Your documentation will be updated with the latest banking standards, reducing the risk of legal problems. Now don't just take our word for it. Listen to what banking professionals around the globe have to say about Document360. Empowering employees with an internal knowledge base. Here is your magic wand to organize and share your internal team's knowledge, like onboarding documents, internal projects, knowledge transfer files, and policies seamlessly. Create an internal document in a format that can be securely accessed through SSO, boost your employee productivity, encourage your team to collaborate easily, help in making informed decisions quickly, and save tacit knowledge. For credit unions, employees who are more confident will provide a better member experience. If you are a credit union organization, you can help your member service representatives or call center agents to be more confident and provide a fantastic member service by helping them access accurate information easily. Using Document360, your agents can quickly locate the right information and provide first contact resolutions to members. Now that's a win-win for your employees and members. You can also go all the way from creating information like policies, procedures, to securing feedbacks and approvals to publishing with one platform, which means coordination, check, collaboration, check, accountability, check. API documentation for seamlessly connecting with your day-to-day tools. Design an API documentation that can help your developers, testers, and product managers consume your API and access information from other fintech software solutions. The framework of Document360 helps your developers to add code samples and include information about the path parameters, security details, and more. Also, the tool automatically generates code samples for API endpoints in 5 different languages, in addition to allowing your developers to play with real-time code samples with the Try It feature. Ready to experience the Document360 difference? Sign up for a 14-day free trial now. Let's revolutionize the way your customers and employees access banking documentation.